Here is a question for today. We have to express that expression into the form of completing the square. So can you recognize the important number, which is plus 6? Let's try to rewrite the expression first. So x squared plus 6x minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 6x, half of it and square it. So plus 6 over 2 to the square and minus 6 over 2 to the square. And keep minus 2. So can you recognize that we can simplify the first three terms into bracket x plus 3 bracket to the square and keep minus 3 to the square minus 2. Try to simplify x plus 3 to the square minus 11. This is how we change into the completing the square form. Now we want to solve for question B. If you look closely, we are having the word hence. That means we have to use the answer from A to solve B. So what we did in question A is we just turn it into the completing the square form. So keep the completing the square form. So bracket x plus 3 bracket to the square minus 11 equals to 0. We just simply have to solve that equation. Let's keep the form instead of expanding the bracket. So x plus 3 bracket to the square equals to 11. To get rid of the square on the left side, we have to do the plus minus root on the right side. Move plus 3 to the right side, then x equals to minus 3 plus minus root 11. This is the answer for today's question, but let's try to keep the answer in detail form. So x equals to minus 3 plus root 11, which is 0.32. Or minus 3 minus 11, which is minus 6.32. This is the answer for today's question. You can check more quadratic questions on my channel now. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.